Today I'm here at Chandigarh, Lala Lajpat Rai Bhavan, Sector 15, for an event called Lock the Box. And this event is organized by Booktail. All you can do is choose between two boxes, one for rupees 1500 and other for rupees 2500, and stack as many as books you want. So this event will go on till 9th March. So what are you waiting for, my bibliophiles? Welcome to a world of endless stories and boundless imagination. This event is a heaven for book lovers with a vast collection of books spanning genres from romance to fiction, self help, and everything in between. Atmosphere is filled with excitement as visitors explore, discover, and take home boxes full of literary treasures.
Organization here is top notch. Everything is neatly arranged, making it easy for everyone to find their next favorite to read. And don't forget to grab one of the beautifully crafted bookmark as a little reminder of this book-filled adventure. Whether you're here to browse or buy, there's something for everyone. It's a celebration of books, ideas, and the joy of reading.
I am here because I want to buy cheap books, and books are expensive.
Alright, so which two books did you pick up?
I picked up American Gods by Neil Gaiman, and what else? Honestly, we filled our box within like 2 minutes of being here, and then picked up some classics, some Jane Austen, and some other books too. I can't remember all of them right now.
Well, I'm a big fan of books, and it sounded like a steal. And also, there's just too many authors with too much controversy that I don't want to be giving money to. And it's a good chance to buy books without supporting people I don't like.
Do you have any favorite authors in particular?
Right now, I'm really enjoying Leigh Bardugo. I really like her books. I've been reading Dracula, so Bram Stoker, and I like Neil Gaiman's writing. I don't like his. I'm sure you've seen the news that came out about Neil Gaiman, so that's why secondhand books.
Did you pick any books yet?
Oh, we've already got a whole box. We might have to get another one.
अभी देख रहे हैं. I'm more interested in poetry and usually Hindi type books, so finding for some Premchand and Manto.
Alright, so are these poets inspire you? Are these authors inspire you?
हाँ, truly because सिर्फ पढ़ना नहीं लिखना भी पसंद है, तो मैं लिखता भी हूँ. तो these are my inspirations. मेरी सबसे बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन डॉक्टर कुमार विश्वास हैं. उनसे देख के या उनको सुन करके मैंने लिखना शुरू करा. और फिर
are like avid readers, so why not to avail the opportunity? This is a great opportunity. Otherwise, if you go to a shop to buy so many books, you'll end up paying so much.
That's right. So you consider yourself as a bibliophile. And I want to ask you, which books did you pick up today?
Random, like mixed books, fiction, non-fiction, all kind of books.
It's the event, and you can stock and you can buy as many as books as you want and get it built here. Keeping it sure that there is no cash allowed and only UPI payment can be made. This is Ritu with Bhavya for Chatkara News.